Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make light zucchini in an oven. This recipe is actually if you would like to make it for vegan and for vegetarian, this is gonna be the perfect menu for them. But if you'd like to try, you are welcome to do that. So what we need for this recipe is we need olive oil, 2 spoons of olive oil. We need 3 zucchinis, and then we need spices. So for the spices, I have here thymian, red pepper, black pepper, a little bit of salt, and dried vegetables. If you don't have dried vegetables, you are welcome to use any other spices that you like. Then we need baking paper. That is all. So guys, we cut all zucchinis in round shape, as you see. They're not supposed to be very thin, okay? But they're not supposed to be very fat, so in medium size, please, all right? Then you just put all of them like this. And then we take our spices, we mix them equally, and we pour and spread all of it into our zucchinis. So once you have done that, you add 2 spoons of olive oil. Guys, I'm using wooden spoon for mixing, but if you want to use your hands, you are welcome to do that. I use wooden spoon so all the spices stay there and I will not have them in my hands. That is the only reason, right? So I have arranged my cooking time as 35 minutes, but 15 minutes I want the oven to be warmed up ahead. So 15 minutes I'm gonna just let the oven to heat, and then 20 minutes is the cooking time for our zucchinis. After we've mixed up all zucchinis with the spices and we see that all the zucchinis are mixed, then we start putting them into the baking area. Once you have placed zucchini on the here, so we are gonna put 2 spices. So here I've got red sweet pepper and black pepper, right? Just for the aroma and just for good smell and nice look, I'm gonna make sure it's mixed well. And then we take it like this and we just pour softly on our zucchinis. So once we have preheated the oven for 15 minutes, we are gonna cook zucchinis exactly 20 minutes. So I'm gonna now put it in our oven. See you after 20 minutes. So now it is ready, and let's see how it looks. Ah, it smells so good. Oh my God. So guys, I wanted to repeat that cooking period for zucchinis are 20 minutes on high level, and 15 minutes I have preheated the oven so it will be ready for zucchini to be cooked. So I'm gonna try it out. It smells so good. It's so good, so juicy. I can feel every spice that I have. I heavily suggest to all of you to try it out. Some people eat it with some yogurt, but we prefer to eat plain zucchini with the spice. And so as you see, zucchinis are cooked in the oven. It's full of spice, it's juicy, and it smells so good. Guys, I'm sure you are gonna love it. As I told you, some of my friends eat that with yogurt. If you like yogurt, you can use this uh, on top of it if you want to. If you do not like that way, you can eat as us, plain way. If you like our video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel if you want. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you will enjoy this zucchini recipe. It's perfect. I'm sure you will love all of it. Thank you for watching again. Goodbye. Bye-bye.